Oh, I want to demonstrate the donkey calf raise. There's actually machines that do this. I haven't seen one in person, but I've seen plenty of videos on them. So they're not that common, and chances are you're not going to have one in your gym. So we manipulate, some equipment to do the same exercise. It's a very good exercise. I've got it set up on a Smith machine. Now you can use anything you want in terms of a place to basically rest your upper body on, because you have to be in a 90-degree position. I've got a box just here, you probably can't see that. Okay, there's a box just there, like a jump box. You can use that at the appropriate height. You can use plyo boxes, you can use Smith machine, barbell setup, anything that sort of has the height suited to yourself, okay? So you'll understand more when I start to do it. So I've got a 20 kilo plate, bumper plate here. This gives me probably not the right height, but high enough. If you've got an aerobic step, even better. You can put two plates on top of each other as well if they're not going to move around. So we want to position ourselves at the back end of the plate, because then I've got obviously the drop on the back side. I'm going to rest my forearms onto the bar, and I'm going to keep myself approximately at a 90-degree position. And then from here, I'm going to go up. Now, because the plate is curved, you may naturally feel yourself rotating outward. You've got to restrict yourself from doing that so that you're nice and square with each movement. So there's no bend through the knee, it's all flexion through the ankle. So I'm coming right up on my inner toes and dropping all the way back down. So as you can see, I'm hitting the ground. So if I can get more height on a higher point, I will, because recent studies have shown that the lower you can go, that point there, and then the what would that be? The concentric part of the movement is where a lot of the stimulus occurs. So you certainly want to take full advantage of that. So that's the donkey calf raise. Again, a number of different ways to set it up. It can be done body weight. Now, how do you add weight to it? Well, look, if you train with a partner, you can obviously put a weight on your back, but primarily it's going to be body weight, okay, unless you can find a donkey calf raise machine. So, but when you do this right and you slow the movement down and you come right up on your toes and then drop down as far as you can flexibly go, and you do that at a tempoed pace, it's going to work and it's going to burn. And if you do 10, 15, 20 reps, 3 sets, multiple times a week, you're going to see some growth. So, donkey calf raise, give it a go.